Welcome all, dear learners. Today we are going to discuss about auto cycle. Myself, Ishran Borkar, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department, CSMS College of Polytechnic, Aurangabad. So, outcomes of these videos are you will able to identify different thermodynamic processes in auto cycle, will able to explain working of auto cycle, and able to explain isentropic and constant volume process involved in a auto cycle. So let's discuss about introduction of auto cycle. Auto cycle is the idealized cycle for SI engine. Petrol engines works on this auto cycle. Heat engine, heat addition and rejection takes place at constant volume in this cycle, and cycle is free from suction and exhaust strokes. That means we have not indicated that suction and exhaust process in that cycle. So we'll discuss about process. So this is the PV diagram of auto cycle, and this is the TS diagram of auto cycle. Let's discuss about first process, process 1 to 2. 1 to 2 process is an isentropic compression process in which volume goes on decreasing and pressure goes on increasing and entropy remains constant. In second process, process 2 to 3, addition of heat at constant volume takes place. As you can see in a PV diagram, line 2 to 3 indicates constant volume process in which volume goes on increasing, temperature also goes on increasing, but and at constant volume heat addition takes place. In third process, process 3 to 4, this is an isentropic expansion process in which volume goes on increasing, pressure goes on decreasing, and entropy remains constant. And in a fourth process, process 4 to 1 is a heat rejection process at constant volume. As you can see in a PV diagram, 4 to 1, volume remains constant, pressure goes on decreasing, and heat rejection takes place at in this process. As I have mentioned, in this whole cycle, suction and exhaust is not involved. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 points indicates only auto cycle. But what happens during this 0 to 1 and 1 to 0? So at the beginning of cycle, suction takes place, that is from 0 to 1. For compression we need air from the atmosphere which is sucked during this suction stroke from 0 to 1, and at the end of cycle that burnout gases are exhaled to the atmosphere during this 1 to 0 process. So these two processes are not shown in the auto cycle. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can ask me in a comment box. Thank you. Thank you very much.